The Sandflea is completely empty. Completely empty. Except for Tammy and I at the moment. Tammy, what are your feelings right now, darling? Aside from being hot and sweaty.
It's really bittersweet.
Yep.
I'm gonna try not to cry.
So tell me.
You're gonna make me cry?
That's okay.
Asking me how I feel?
That's right. Tell me. I mean, tell us about this boat that we've been enjoying for the last 3 years and it's taken us on so many adventures and kept us safe and, you know, I mean, let me know. Don't let that make you cry. Talk about it.
I love this boat and I'm gonna be sad to see it go. Well, it's already gone, but I'm gonna be sad to walk away from it.
Yeah.
But I'm excited for a bigger boat. We'll have more space and be able to have, I don't like it. Be able to have visitors come on board and yeah.
So you're really gonna miss this? This old boat?
You're really close to my face. Yeah,
I'm trying to capture the emotion.
Yeah, I'm gonna miss this boat a lot. I hope that Joe and Juana and their family enjoys it.
Yeah, as much as we did.
Yeah.
They're gonna go on big adventures.
I hope so.
Yeah, the Sandflea will take good care of you, I promise you that.
Yep.
Alright, nice job, baby.
Thanks.
Alright, Molly.
Yes.
What are you thinking right now? What are you feeling? This is your last few minutes on Sandflea. We're about to leave.
Yep.
I know we don't own the boat anymore, but you know we delivered it to the new owner, Joe and Juana.
Yeah, it's sad.
Yeah.
But we need more bigger space.
Why do we need bigger space?
Because I'm not growing my quarter.
Because of you, Molly.
Yes, because of me.
Yeah.
It's sad.
We've had some good adventures on Sandflea, huh?
And hopefully, Joe and Juana have a good time on Sandflea too.
Yeah. Is there anything you want to say to Sandflea before you leave?
I miss her very badly, and I love her.
Alright, so yeah, Sandflea, oh my goodness, it has been an amazing ride in this old boat. An old 1979 Endeavour 32. It's older than I am. And man, we've had some great times on this boat. It's taken us to some amazing places. I mean, it's kept us safe in some scary situations. We've met amazing people. I mean, it's been an incredible experience on this boat. I hate to see it go. I really do. If there was a way we could stretch it, you know, we would. Or, you know, if it weren't for Molly, really not to blame Molly, but me and Tammy would be perfectly happy, you know, keeping this boat and carrying on. But, you know, we need a little more space. So, Sandflea is going to have many more adventures. The new owners, they're talking about taking her to Panama and Cuba. So, trust me, this boat has a lot more adventure left in it for sure. And I'm really happy to be selling it to somebody who's going to use it and do some big things with it. And it's not just going to, you know, sit in a marina and, you know, fall apart like so many other boats do. It's going to be loved, it's going to be taken care of, and it's going to be used. And for that, I am happy.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine is here, you can take a break. I'm a hot air balloon that could go to space. Baby, you're like I don't care, baby, by the way. Clap alone if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm clap alone if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm clap alone if you know what happiness is to you. Yeah. Clap alone if you feel like that's what you wanna do. Here come Matthew, soaking this and that. Yeah, give me all you got, don't hold it back. I should probably warn you, I'll be just fine. Yeah, no offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Clap alone if you feel like can I think? Bring me down, 'cause I'm happy. Yeah. Ooh. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Yeah. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Yeah. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Yeah. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Let's see if we can get Tammy to cry just one more time.
Don't make me cry again.
I know, I'm sorry, baby. Alright. Okay, everybody. We're signing off. We'll be, man, we have some big things that we're going to be getting into next, you know? We're going to be looking for the new boat. We're kind of starting all over, so, wow. It's going to be interesting, that is for sure.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sandflea, for all the great adventures, all the great memories, all the great times we had aboard the mighty Sandflea.
Yep. Signing off.
Signing
Last
off.
time in the Sandflea. See ya.